Yo guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make an Aether portal that doesn't spill. And I know what you're thinking. I know we're gonna use a barrier block, and then it will put a lot of edges there. No, I'm not gonna do that. And as you see right there, I have to do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And after that, we put 2 holes here. And 2. Then 2, and then put water there. And then just back away. And then it will show an Aether portal that doesn't spill. Anyways, bye guys. Anyways, those command blocks are just for like my other videos that I made from CapCut that I didn't upload. Anyways, bye.